What is up, YouTube? This is Alex O, your go-to Houston realtor for new construction and new construction walkthroughs. Today, I am in Candela in Richmond, Texas, and we are going to be taking a look at this Westin home listed for $459,000. Now, before I get into this home tour, what I do on this channel is I tour new construction inventory homes so that you guys can see what's out there in these brand new communities before you even step foot out here. So without further ado, let's take a look at this brand new home. So Candela is a new community in Richmond, Texas. Their HOA is only $825 annually. Tax rate is 3.14%. And you can lower that with homestead exemption. They've got a lot of amenities out here, dog park, a pool, a fitness center, everything that you can imagine. And the HOA is only $825 annually. Now, this Westin home right here is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 2-story house. Square footage is 2463, and they recently reduced the price by a little over $52,000. So right now this is going for $459,000. All right. So right off the bat, we have a nice mixture of stone and brick on the exterior. Very tall entryway. And as soon as we step inside, first thing that you're going to notice is this classic signature Westin rotunda right up there. So whenever you walk into a house and you see this, you know it's a Westin house. They love to do those rotundas. Really tall ceilings. The floors on this house is wood tile that basically looks like wood. I really like that right there instead of the standard luxury vinyl plank that we usually see. So right over here, you're gonna have your half bathroom and your laundry room that actually connects to the primary bedroom, and then your 2-car garage is gonna be over there. But we're gonna take a look at this main living area right here. So right over here, we got a very spacious coat closet right here for you to store things. And here we are in the main living area. Very tall ceilings. You got that barn style up top. 4 light fixtures out here. This is a very open floor plan. A decent size kitchen island right here. Good amount of space. So your oven, it's gonna go right here. Your vent hood is gonna lead out to the outside. Let me zoom in on that backsplash for you guys. Clean and shiny. Quartz countertops throughout this whole kitchen right here. Your fridge is gonna go right here. And you're gonna have a single basin that's very wide. Dishwasher is gonna go right here. And I like that you have a little window on the outside that just to bring in a little bit of natural light coming in. You have these very tall windows out here to pour in that natural light. It's about 3 p.m. right now, so we're getting a decent amount of sunlight in this house. All right. We got the pantry right over here. All right. Decent sized pantry. And again, this house is asking for $459,000. All right, so that's the main living area. This is going to be your bedroom, primary bedroom right here. You got a smart thermostat right here. So walking into this very clean looking bedroom here, you got another kind of little mini rotunda up here, light fixture, 3 windows for you to look out the backyard. And then we'll take a look at that backyard in a bit. But doors are pretty tall. I want to say they're about 7 feet. And right over here is going to be your primary bathroom. So you're going to have that double vanity, separate vanities for your significant other. All right. A lot of people will call it his and hers. All right. Bathtub separated from the shower. I can always appreciate that. Most builders nowadays, or in most houses, you'll see the shower right next to the bathtub. They're usually connected. But for a house that's a little over 2,400 square feet, not too bad. All right, it is a 2-story house, so you're splitting that square footage between the 2 floors. All right, and here is the primary closet here. Very, very nice and spacious. A lot better than the closet that me and my wife currently have. We share a little closet. But over here in this closet, I cannot complain at all. This is plenty of space for us. All right, and like I mentioned earlier, this connects into your laundry room. So that's really, really convenient. You can just walk from your restroom to the laundry room, making laundry very, very easy for you guys. All right. To my right over here is going to be your half bathroom. All right. So I can appreciate that it's away from the main living area. I don't know if you guys ever go into a house and the half bathroom is like right there. Somebody comes out, you know, they just nuked it and everybody else has to smell that, you know, not very appealing. So I like that it's located away from the main living area right over here. All right. Inside here is going to be your 2-car garage. You're going to have a tankless water heater. So this is going to be less maintenance for you and you're never going to run out of hot water. All right. Compared to a standard water heater, where a standard water heater is going to be constantly filling up with hot water. Anytime you turn on hot water inside the house, that's when it'll make hot water for you. So it's not constantly making hot water for you. It's only making hot water for you whenever you need it. So that's going to save you some energy right there. Sprinkler system located throughout the whole house. Electricity panel is going to be located inside, which is great. And then you have this space right here to install garage shelves. I like that they have a little bit of curve right here instead of standard sharp corner right here. It gives it a touch of personality, I must say, which is great. So Westin Homes, they never hold back on style. Okay, take a look at these stairs right here. Can't get enough of that. This just has so much personality to it. And when guests come over, this is the first thing that they're going to see. They're going to give you compliments on it. I can guarantee you that. So let's take a look upstairs. Get a nice close-up of that rotunda right there. They have a little bit of space right here for you to decorate. So they really, really want you to make this house your own. All right, so game area up here. We got 3 bedrooms up here. I'm gonna take you guys to the right first, to the first bedroom. All right, so this bedroom right here is pretty nice and spacious. And right over here is going to be the closet. Good size closet. I think this is a pretty good size. Okay. There is one little caveat with this one. So it's kind of like a Jack and Jill. All right, so you are going to have only a single vanity. And then this is going to be your bathroom right here. So if you have a lot of kids or a lot of family living in this house, I probably wouldn't put another person in this secondary bedroom right here. All right, just because the vanities are a little bit smaller. This is a house that has a smaller footprint. You would need a bigger house, probably over 3,000 square feet. This house is only 2463 square feet. Okay, this closet right here, I would probably make it storage. Okay, so this closet is not too practical. I would probably make this this room right here probably like a playroom or an office rather than an actual bedroom for someone to live in. All right, and the final bedroom right here, it's gonna have its own separate bathroom right here. So very standard, clean looking vanity right here. Very standard bathroom. Nice feeling tile in the restroom. You can always appreciate that. And here we are in the last bedroom. I would say this is probably the biggest secondary bedroom that we're looking at right now. Give you guys a quick 360 of that. All right, take a look at inside here. So, decent sized closet. This one isn't so tight like the other one. You're gonna have a bit more space in this one, making it a little bit more practical for someone to take up this bedroom to live in. All right, so that's all of upstairs. Let me show you guys very last space, which is the backyard. All right, I hope you guys are enjoying this home tour. I love taking videos of all the inventory houses for you guys to see. And it also helps me to just to know what's out there right now. What are the current incentives that builders are offering? This one specifically, they dropped the price by $52,000. Westin Homes, they usually don't do anything crazy with like interest rates, discount points, stuff like that. Their incentive is, hey, we dropped the price of this house by so and so. You're more than welcome to use your own lender to figure out your finances. Okay, so no backyard neighbor, which is great. You do have, I don't know if this bothers some people, but you do have a view of those telephone poles. You know, not really much you can do about that. Those are necessary to run electricity throughout this whole neighborhood. And here is the back of the house. So pretty decent sized yard right here. We're on a 40 feet lot. So this is your covered back patio right here. So that's it for today's tour. If you like this video, again, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Really helps me out to grow out this channel. I want to show you guys as many home tours as I can, and liking the video, commenting really helps me out a lot. If you have any questions about this house, or you're interested in what it takes to purchase a house in this real estate market, feel free to give me a call. My information will be down below. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.